Welcome to Beyond the Harvest. I'm Chef Yanis, and today I'm going to show you a very simple salad dressing that you can make without any preservatives, without any vinegars and things like that. The first thing that we want to do is we want to have a extra virgin olive oil, and you can use a couple of cups. Now, of course, you're not going to use that in one sitting, but you want to put a couple of cups of extra virgin olive oil. Then you want to have two medium size, squeeze two medium size of lemons. Okay, well, then we want to add a little bit of sea salt, and I only use mineral sea salt because it's more, it's healthier for you. We want to put about a tablespoon of oregano flakes, and then we want to use about a quarter of a cup of nutritional yeast flakes. And then what we want to do is we want to get a little beater and just beat this all around. And again, this is a very tasty dressing for salad. You don't have to use vinegar. Vinegar is not good for you. It's a fermented product. It also contains acetic acid, which actually causes cirrhosis of the liver, and also it kills frontal lobe of your brain cells. Even the apple cider vinegar is not good for you, even if it's highly alkaline. Some people recommend it for highly alkaline product, but yet it still has acetic acid, and it still causes a lot of problems with your brain cells. So you do want to avoid any type of vinegar. Rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar, they're all the same. So once you beat it really good, then you want to take your salad, and here we have a very colorful salad. We have tomatoes and onions, olives, lettuce, we have some beetroot, and then you want to add a couple of spoons of the dressing. You just want to you don't want to make it too oily now. You just want to put enough, and now you want to just stir everything up. Here you go. And then if you really want to make it look like a real Greek salad, you can even add a little bit of tofu. Now what I do is I take the tofu and I fry it a little bit to give it a nice brownish color. After I make it like I cut it in cubes, and then once I make my salad, I put the tofu in it, and then I put the dressing. And here you have a very simple salad dressing that is healthy for you, and it actually is not going to cause any problems. Also, in a previous video, we saw you how to make the Greek garlic sauce that's called tzatziki. Now, for extra flavor on your salad, you can actually take the tzatziki sauce and you can just spread it all over your salad on the top, like that, and give it a nice color, and also gives it a nice flavor. That, the garlic sauce that we made for the gyro and for the Mexican pizza in a previous video, it gives it a really nice color to it. And this is a nice healthy salad that doesn't have any preservatives or any vinegar or things like that. So once again, we want to thank you for joining us in Beyond the Harvest. If you want any more information on our company, please visit our website, which is in the bottom of your screen. And always remember that in this kitchen, I am still the chef.